What's going on, man? Of course, we got the neighbor. That is the hater. I'm going slow. I'm going 20 miles per hour. Bro. I'm literally going 20 miles per hour, bro. How much slow do you want to be? This street is like 25. What the fuck? What is going on, you guys? My bad for that first video right there, man. You know the neighbors. You know how the neighbors get, baby. Especially now that I got a straight pipe. My boy was slow. Slow down, man. I'm going 20 miles per hour. I'm going to speed limit. What you mean slow down, man? Oh, we got the brothers out here with us. You guys know we out here with my boy Yandy and my boy David. You guys already know, baby. Woo! The loud boys. They call us the loud boys now. Yes, sir. Alright, you guys, the video took another turn, man. We were gonna ride out, but the bike had a little issue. We had a little issue with the straight pipe I did. Since I didn't put a pipe, it was burning the fairings. I'm gonna show you guys once I get home. It was burning the fairings, man. My whole fucking plastic fairing is all bended up. I got another one though, a white one. I'm gonna have to order some the same color wrap paper to get it wrapped and put it there. So yeah, you guys, man, everything good comes with something bad, and everything bad comes with something good. That's fucking life. Me and my boy Miguel, we went to AutoZone and bought a pipe, an extra pipe, and we already put it. So let's hope so it don't keep burning. Because if it keeps burning, then man, I'm gonna have to fucking put the exhaust back on, which is something that I don't want to do because I love how it sounds. But well, you do what you gotta do, man. But yeah, you guys, worst curse scenario. I'm sorry if I ain't saying the fucking word right. I'm not even thinking straight, bro. That shit got me fucked up. But the worst thing that could happen is that it keeps on burning the fairing. And eventually, like I said, I have another fairing. I will change it, and I will just buy another pipe, or I will get a custom pipe for it. And that's it, man. Because I really don't want to put the exhaust back. I'm in love with the sound of this bike being straight pipe. I'm in love with it, so I really don't want to fucking change it. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna end this video once I get home and show you guys not to make the same mistake I did. So see you guys when I get home, man. Alright, you guys, so we are over here with the red. Let me show you guys what happened. This dog right here is driving me crazy. So when I first did the straight pipe, I cut it right here, right? And I didn't have this pipe, so all the smoke and all the flames was coming over here. And as you guys can see, it bended my fairing. Man, get over there. It bended my fairing. So what me and Miguel did, we went to AutoZone, got this pipe, welded in there, and put it in. As you guys know, I already said, I have another piece of this. I'm just waiting for I'm gonna order some wrap paper before I can wrap the white piece that I have of this, wrap it in the same color before I can put it there. While I also wrap this color, the tank, the same color. So you guys already know the problem. Do not do this. Do not do the same mistake I did. If you're going straight piping, make sure you get a pipe first. So yes, sir. See you guys next time, baby. Stay tuned.